My associate, the Region Vice President, Jason Weckel, and I are certified tax specialists. We're not licensed CPAs, but in each of the cities we work in, we have some wonderful licensed CPAs. And so one of the things that we do is work with them to make sure that on an annual basis they're not paying any more than they're due. We look at things like Social Security taxation. We look at interest income taxation, so we make sure that they're not paying taxes inadvertently.
When we ask our clients, and this is sort of a trick question, what's the largest expense that you'll ever pay in your life? The answers that we most commonly hear are our home, maybe long-term care, college. But in reality, for most people, the largest expense that you'll ever have in your whole life is taxes. If you think about from your first job all the way until the last piece of tax that you'll pay, even after you die, inherited IRAs, things of that nature, most people pay more money to the government than they'll ever pay on any other expense or any other source of spending in their lifetimes. So for us at Hill & Hill, if we can minimize taxes, if we can be tax-friendly when we plan for investments, when we plan for income, it's going to be much, much easier to keep more of what you've earned in your pocket. You don't have to get as large of a return. You don't have to take as much risk in a volatile marketplace to earn a decent return if you're keeping most or all of what you're earning because you're doing it within tax-friendly or tax-free vehicles.